Hello, I hope you're doing well. This is going to be a presentation of the house maintenance projects that I did over the last 3 years. Of course, I didn't include all the projects. If you want, you can see my other videos. Here, I am putting gravel on the entrance of this house. This is a friend's house, so they asked me if I could do that, and I always love physical work, so I took it, especially that they paid me for it. So I'm always down if there is an offer like that. This is very helpful to me to keep in shape and also to make some money. I really enjoy the process. This is me driving a dumper. Yeah. Well, it's pretty fun. Makes me feel like a real man, doing farm work. I really prefer working in a farm than working in an office. So after working for many years as an English teacher, as a translator, and as a customer support representative and other similar jobs, I've been doing this remotely. I really prefer doing physical work. Here I'm digging a hole for a fish pond, and here I am driving this little tractor with a trailer to move the trees that I cut. And of course, pool maintenance. I am very good actually at pool maintenance after a couple of months of practice. It's not really a big deal, but there are things that you need to be careful about when turning on and off the filter and the pipes that go to it. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.